guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day video, so I'm gonna take you guys along and show you everything that I eat in today. And I just got back from Coachella, camping for 4 to 5 days, really trying to get back into eating better, so I thought it'd be perfect to do a what I eat in a day video to hold me accountable to eating a little bit better after being in the sun, camping, eating terrible, drinking, dehydrated for the past 4 days. So we're regrouping here. I did my morning routine, I worked out, I had my little breakfast for the morning, and now I'm going to do some work on my computer. Before I get into that, I wanted to talk about the probiotic that I take daily, which is from Seed, so thank you to Seed for sponsoring today's video. So as you saw, as I was making my lemon water this morning, I was putting my little Seed Symbiotic in my daily vitamin bowl. Every morning, I will take 2 of my Seed Daily Symbiotic, and what a symbiotic is it's a prebiotic and a probiotic. You guys know if you saw my previous video where I showed you guys that I had started taking Seed and I had taken it for a week, and I already felt the difference of it and noticed it. It's now been a month and I feel like I can say that this is my go-to probiotic, prebiotic. I really don't see myself ever switching from this because it's hitting all the bases. It's doing everything that a probiotic is supposed to do. Most of us know that probiotics are great for the gut health, and that's what you think of when you think of a probiotic, but there are so many other benefits to your general health when you take a symbiotic. It helps with your cardiovascular health, immune support, gut barrier integrity. It also helps with your skin. Since taking this, I feel like my skin has improved because I'm not thinking about it and I'm not noticing it, which means she's looking good. You can go on their website to get all the information, but something really cool is that they have an Instagram called Seed University where they have highlights, and they're all Instagram stories taking you through all the science and also just teaching you about your gut microbiome. Tons of information is there for you if you want to know the importance of taking a prebiotic and a probiotic, and you can feel confident in your choice because there is so much information that they have available to you to say, hey, we've done our background work, she works. A lot of people are also concerned about the fact that bacteria is a living thing, so how does it sustain itself without being refrigerated? Well, babes, let me show you. Look at the cute, oh, don't look at my nails. Don't focus on my nails, just look at the little capsule. Don't look at my nails. Coachella camping really did them dirty. Anyway, it's all in the capsule, so the outer capsule is a prebiotic that doesn't let in moisture, oxygen, or heat, so it doesn't need refrigeration, and she's totally fine. It's also a very sustainable monthly subscription, so you keep the original glass jar that they came in, and then every month they will send you a refill pack. If you guys want to try out Seed for yourself, which I can't recommend enough, I'm going to leave my discount code and then the link that already applies the code in the description box below so that you guys can get a discount off Seed's Daily Symbiotic. The amount of dog and cat hair that is on my clothes. Can't be bothered. Yes? Okay. It is 3:30 and I'm gonna make a chai. I know. That's not what I should be doing, but I have gotten into the habit of drinking caffeine at like 3 or 4. I think it's because I have caffeine every morning. It's now like, hey, time to restock, girly. Is that an addiction? I don't know. Not an addiction. What is that called? No. Gonna make a nice chai. I'm gonna take Addie for his little walk, and then I'm going to have lunch. I should be able to multitask by talking and doing things, but I can't. See, what was I saying now? I always thought that my videos were private, just between you guys and me. Found out that my guy friend watches them. So, Hunter, if you're watching this, stop. This is for the girls and the gays only. Gotta go. I also have an appointment to get a prescription for contacts. I never thought that I would ever in my life need glasses, let alone contacts. I have glasses because, okay, I can't see far away, like night driving, can't do it. I'll wear my glasses when I drive at night or when I'm playing video games or I need to like look far away. Sure. The vision's just gotten progressively worse, and I know it's from screens because I have been looking at a screen like this close since I was 12 years old from doing this job. But like, if that's the case, why are the other OG YouTubers not blind? You know, so why am I visually challenged, you know? So I think it's also probably karma, because I used to say in like elementary school and middle school when we did those vision tests, I'd be like, I have perfect vision, bitch. I would gloat just a little too much, and this is my karma. So I don't want to wear contacts. I don't want something in my eye, because now my eyes are fragile. Because I'm always taking tweezers and taking hair or dust or something out of my eyes. What if I ruin the contacts, bitch? Like, nobody has eye insurance. That's out of pocket, you know? If you know any good contact brands, I get my glasses from Glasses USA, but I don't know if they have contacts. I don't think they do. So if you have any contact lens recommendations, is that a thing? Do people recommend contact brands? I don't know. If you do and you like one, comment it below. That's it.